Difficult decision that we've had to take has been to stick with our predecessor's timing for the end of the petrol excise relief. We're under no illusions that this will be difficult for people. It's a difficult decision for us to take as well. There will be more than 700 million litres of lower excise fuel in the system when the fuel excise is reintroduced. This is 700 million reasons why the price shouldn't shoot up by the full 23 cents on the night that the excise relief ends. Now, the reason that we've maximised the ACCC's role in all of this is we want to make sure that there's not dodgy behaviour going on. We don't want suppliers and servos to treat Australian motorists like mugs, and that's why we're making this information available. When it comes to the final budget outcome for last year, the numbers are still being finalised for that. But we wanted to be upfront with people about what we're seeing in those numbers as they settle. The outcome will show that we've booked a substantial but temporary lift in taxes, and it will also show that billions of dollars that were promised weren't delivered.
We've already had to make provision for costs in the order of $5.5 billion. These are costs that were not provided or no provision was made for. They're largely across the pandemic-related costs. And we're working through this calmly in the budget process, but there's a range of other programs right across the public service where they were funded for the short term, but they are ongoing programs. Things like the digital health record, closing the gap measures, the early psychosis centres for people with severe mental illness, public dental services for adults. Now, clearly those are programs that are ongoing but haven't been factored in, and they're creating pressures as well.